Hello everyone, welcome back whenever and wherever you are. So for today, we are going to talk about time. As we know that in a time, there are two kinds of time. The first one is British versions and the second one is American versions. Let's talk about the British version first. In a British versions, there are some characteristics. The first one is about past, to, a half, and a quarter. We have two types of hands on the clock. This is the minute hand. The minute hand is the longer hand atau biasa kita sebut dengan jarum panjang. And the other type of hand is called the hour hand. And it is the shorter hand atau biasa kita sebut dengan jarum pendek. When the longer hand or the minute hand is pointing to the number 12 and the smaller hand, the hour hand, is pointing to one of the hour numbers, we call this a clock. Jadi, jika jarum panjang berada di angka 12, kita sebut a clock atau tepat. For example, 5 o'clock atau jam 5 tepat. But when the minute hand is pointing gets to the number 6, then we say half past. Jadi, ketika jarum panjang berada di angka 6, it means lewat 30 menit or we say half past. And when the minute hand is pointing gets to the number 3, then we say quarter past. Jadi, jika jarum panjang berada di angka 3, it means quarter past atau lewat 15 menit. Then, when the minute hand is pointing gets to the number 9, then we say quarter to. Jika jarum panjang berada di angka 9, it means quarter to atau kurang 15 menit. Now, look at the first example. Mom cooks dinner at quarter past 7. Ibu memasak makan malam jam 7 lewat 15 menit. Remember, to tell the time in British style, the minutes always come first. Jadi, untuk mengucapkan waktu menggunakan British style, yang diucapkan adalah menitnya terlebih dahulu. The next example, he goes to bed at 9:30. Dia tidur jam 9 lewat 30 menit. Then another example, he does homework at 5:45. Dia mengerjakan PR jam 6 kurang 15 menit. He studies at 8:30. Dia belajar jam 8 lewat 30 menit. Look at the time. What time is it? It is 12:30 because the minutes hand is pointing to the number 6. What time is it? It is 9:45, jam 10 kurang 15 menit because the minutes hand is pointing to number 9. What time is it? It is 2:15. Jam 2 lewat 15 menit because the minutes hand is pointing to the number 3, so we say 4:15. Let's read the time. It is 10 to 5. Why did I say 10 to 5? So, if the minute is more than a half or 30 minutes, we have to say 2. Jika lebih dari 30 menit, maka kita menggunakan to. But if the minute is less than a half or 30 minutes, we have to say past. Jika kurang dari 30 menit, maka kita menggunakan past. For example, it is 3:20. Don't forget, to tell the time in British style, the minute is always come first. Now, how to telling the time in American style? To telling the time in American versions is easier than British versions. When you tell the time in American versions, the hours always come first. Well, if you look at the clock and see that it is 3:15, then you can say it is 3:15. Like you can see on the example, the first one is it's 2:15. Jam 2 lewat 15 menit. Or another example, it's 4:30. Jam 4:30 menit. Or it's 3:45. Jam 3:45. Isn't that simple? Well, enough for this session. See you on the next video. See you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.